Oh, this
Whoa,
is.
this is gonna be good.
Oh, I like when they make the noise and they zig and zag.
Like this kind of.
What if the fireworks fall into each other?
Ooh, that's
Ooh,
cool.
yeah.
Ooh, that's cool.
Can we get fireworks and do like a fireworks?
And I like this.
Why not?
His dad likes having two hands.
He likes having what?
Two hands.
He'd be the hit in town though. What do you mean Dad likes having two hands?
He doesn't want to blow off a hand.
He wouldn't probably. Chances are above average he doesn't. Finale.
Alright, that's a lot of them there. This might be the finale, I don't know.
Sound like the drums.
Oh, there.
I like those ones.
These are like on a timer now. You see they're all going without any waiting.
That's pretty cool.
Is this the grand?
Nope.
That one looks like a spark.